Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new and if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to another video. So today we're shooting a vlog. I am ready for once, like literally I feel like this is the first time I'm starting a vlog looking this put together. Yeah, we're going for brunch with the girls. We're gonna try out the new restaurant in Pakalani. I think it's like a cafe. I think it's like 4th Unit Cafe or something like that. But obviously I'm taking you guys with. I'm wearing this cute dress, but I'll show you guys my outfit once we get there because I'm actually running late. I haven't set my face with setting spray. I haven't applied lipstick. I'll do that in the car because I'm running late, like I said. So yeah, I'm also gonna fix my hair, but don't worry, we'll do all that. I did my nails last night. I did not vlog that, unfortunately. So yeah, I just wanted to say hi, start this vlog, and yeah, let's get on with the day.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain, the sorrows in your brain. Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it. It all, I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, I 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 always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it. It all, I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally, higher to a bird. You, I'm rising, I'm soaring above it. It all, I just wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free.
I'm gonna try this hair latte. Sugar is a 2D7. Try me taste that one now. Yeah, taste that. You don't like it? It's a You put one. Next is a page. Yeah, 5 pieces. Try latte, 5 pieces. it's not bad. Hi guys, I'm back home. I think it's around 3:30 p.m. So I literally just came to change. Just gonna get pizza and then I head over to Mumsy's house. So yeah, we had fun. It was really nice. Thought that was meant to be like our breakfast date, and that's exactly what we did. It was really nice. Like I mean, the place is not as I expected. It's really small, like it's extremely small. So from the pictures that I saw, I was expecting a lot more. Like I was expecting a bigger space than what I saw. But the food is amazing. Well, the cakes are amazing. The breakfast is amazing. We had the cinnamon roll. That is the best that they have. Literally, if you ever go there, get the cinnamon roll. And then what did we have? I also ordered the brownie with ice cream. It was nice, as well as the beetroot cake. I mean, it's not the best, but yeah, it is nice. What did I have, guys? I tried the chai latte. I don't know, listen, I don't like milk. I don't like milk at all, but today I was just willing to try like something different, so I went for the chai latte. I didn't enjoy it. My friend had a mocha. It was really nice. I wish I had ordered the mocha, but it's okay, it's okay. I forgot what the boka ordered. I forgot her drink, but she said it's nice. She also likes the chai latte. I don't think she has a problem with milk. So yeah, anyway, we did have fun. We tried a lot of things. They also ordered the iced coffee. Apparently it has like caramel inside. I tasted it. I don't like it. I feel like khayana sukiri at all. Like it doesn't have taste. It tastes like coffee, yeah, but without sugar, and it's just cold. It's just weird for me. So nope, I don't like it. Maybe I'll try it another time, but no, it's a no from me. But the book enjoyed it. Melinda and I did not at all, but we're different, hey, so you might like it, I don't. Anyway, so yeah, I just thought I should update you guys. And yeah, let's go get pizza. I'm just wearing jeans now and this. I think I'm gonna put a cardigan on top because it's actually cold. Like it's windy in a very cold way. So yeah, I don't know if I should remove these lashes because it's just weird. I keep forgetting I have makeup on. But yeah, let's go. Hi guys, welcome to another day in the vlog. Today is Wednesday, and yeah, let's just rewind back. So yesterday was a Tuesday. I think I last saw you guys when, what did I do? I think I went to Mumsy's house. Yeah, I went to Mumsy's house. We had pizza. We just chilled until it was curfew time. Then I came back home. So yesterday, which was Tuesday. Yesterday was a Tuesday. My cousin and I went out. We went to RMX to post some stuff. So yeah, the clip will follow after this, like right now. And then after that we went to Cotton On, because I never really go to Cotton On. I don't know why. Well, I do know why. It's actually a little bit on the pricier side. So like I you know, like I can't afford it for now. But I just went there just to see what they have. And actually I really did see a lot of nice things, good quality as well. Especially for Riley. I prefer getting her like leggings, especially for like the summer, because they're quite comfortable. She can play around in them, and I guess they're versatile. So yeah, I really like the leggings from Cotton On, and I think I will buy those for her soon. They're actually not expensive in Cotton On, hey, because I think they have like a two for like a certain amount. I'm not even sure if that was like 120 or 240. Whatever the case is, I feel like for the material, for the quality, it is worth it, you know. So yeah, I will go there sometime to buy those for her, and then the clips will follow. And then lastly went to Discam just to get makeup. Yeah, that's it. The clips will follow after this. I went to US the other day. I wasn't vlogging though, but I managed to pick up something. So you guys remember in my last vlog when I went to Theresa's house and we went through her stuff and all of that. She had this two-piece and I really liked it. So let me show it to you guys right now. It's a pants and top two-piece. I'm not gonna wear this for you guys because I actually want to film a summer collection / styling video, whatnot. So yeah, this is how the top looks. It's very nice. It has like a little detailing here. I'll put a picture of the lady wearing it. I got this from Squad Metal Wigs. The set was 125 and I got this in a size medium. At first I took a small. I came to fit it and I felt like the pants were too short. Like I'm very tall, so I wanted this to be like really long. The medium is not too bad. It's really not bad. It's just normal pants, really. There's nothing to it. So yeah, I love the design. I really like this a lot. So yeah, the medium fits well. I was concerned with the top though, like maybe I'd have to alter it, but no, there's no need for that. It fits very well. So yeah, I got this. It was 125 for the set. And then I also got a dress in the same complex, Yabo Squad Metal Wigs, but the shop is literally opposite a butcher by the parking lot, Yabo Spa, like by those ATMs. Yeah, I went to the shop. I'll put a picture here because I don't have the dress with me. I took it for alteration. It's a little big on me. Like the orange color that I took was the last one, so it's a large, but I just love the color, so I took it. They do have other colors though, like blue and stuff. It's a really nice dress. It's like a one hand or one shoulder, whatever it is. Like I'm seeing a lot of that come back, like the whole trend of one hand or one shoulder thing, you know. I really like it. It comes with a belt, so yeah, really like the dress. I thought I should show you guys. It was 80 pula, and the material is really good as well. So yeah, I think there's nothing else that I have to show you guys. I actually want to undo my hair as I'm wearing this hat. Gel is still literally on my hair, and I really want to remove it. I haven't gotten my wigs back from Studio yet, but I will definitely show you guys. I believe in the next video I will have the hair. So yeah, I think we can say goodbye for now, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I really appreciate it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, I don't think I'm forgetting anything. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it, and yeah, bye bye.